This was the most exhausting set I have ever done in my entire nail career. As y'all know, Auntie came in to me a month ago with 4-year-old nails. She has not taken them off. She is so emotionally attached to them. As a nail tech myself, I cannot force anything, so I educate her. I take my time to build trust, to build relationship, and she finally took them off. As I'm taking it off, I see how thick the acrylic is. That tells me the old nail tech just did not care about her. They just keep adding acrylic over acrylic and creating these spots that we call greeny, not fungus. Don't get it twisted. Now, as I'm taking it off, I notice she hasn't got a manicure for years. Imagine those cuticles hasn't been released. Bad spirit. So now I took my time and did all of that for her. This took me around an hour and a half. Taking off the acrylic was hard. Now we went in with a color acrylic, and you probably wonder how come she didn't let her nail breathe. Because she say she can't go a day without nail. Because people are like that, y'all. You got to respect it. So we went in with the free form. You know how hard this free form was, y'all? It was hard. This application part took me more than 2 hours. Just laying the first layers of the acrylic up the foundation. Each finger was more than 10 minutes. I was running behind. So I say, Auntie, can you come back at 7 p.m.? Because I don't want to be late on my next client, and I don't want to rush on you. And Auntie say, anything for you, boo. You see that? Because at that moment right there, we have built the trust. We have built the friendship. She knows I got her. And I also know at that moment, she got me. And that, my friend, is what relationship building as a nail technician is all about. This set was not just about her nails anymore. It was a life-changing experience. It was waking her up from her stress, from her misery, things that she was going through with her kids, her life. And when I saw her nails in the beginning, I knew those nails had a historic story behind it, and we need to dig it out. And it's going to take time. So I gave that time, and look at that, y'all. She is excited. This whole set took us 4 to 5 hours. Ended with the gold flake. You know how long it takes to do the gold flake too, y'all, on every finger? And at the end, I had to give her some cutie rescue cuticle oil by Beyond the Cream, y'all. Got to hook them cuticle up and educate her how to she can maintain it. But you know, at the end, God bless, we met, because here she is, forever client with these nails, and we're going to continue to monitor and maintain for her as a nail tech.